Joining me now is Dion from Howick. Dion, thank you so much for talking to us today.
No worries, not a problem.
Brilliant. So can you talk us through then what Howick does?
So we build roll forming technology. We're based out of Auckland or Howick in New Zealand. So we produce the roll forming machines that produces light gauge steel framing studs, floor joists, roof trusses, and the like. So what we've got here today, or for this show, we're actually showing our extender profile, which is for like internal partitioning, fit outs, apartment blocks. So anywhere where there's a really light gauge steel framing that needs to be incorporated into the building. So the extender basically, if you have a look at there, so you could, there's no measuring required. So you could just make a panel, say, could be 2 by 4. You can be put into a lift shaft, carried up, and then obviously, as you see here, you can sort of fill it into the space and fill it out. So this is our Extender 3600, which is one of our newer products. Pretty much built in a machine very similar to this, but as I say, we do other products, a lot of heavier material as well, 1.6, floor joists up to 2.5, and even up to 2.8.
My goodness, so pretty much got a solution to most things.
Yes, we have and that's what we're pretty good at, is innovating new products. We might get some companies come to us with a problem, so we look to innovate and make that, sort that problem out for them, and have an easier solution.
Yeah, brilliant. So if people perhaps aren't 100% sure what their solution is, they can come to you and hopefully you can be able to solve it for them. Yeah,
well, they generally have part of the solution, but we will just finish off the puzzle for them and make that process easier.
Brilliant. Listen, Dion, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today. Come down and check out Howick. You are, well, right by in the Concrete Expo. There we are.
There we go. OS412.
OS412. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
No worries.